All right, everyone. Welcome to Cards Against Humanity Friday. And we're going to be shuffling this and shuffling this. And then draw one card. White people like, oh God, here we go. Draw 7. Warm velvety Muppet sex. White people like hot cheese. White people like horse meat. White people like party Mexicans. White people like oversized lollipops. White people like all you can eat shrimp for $4.99. These are all so good. I'm gonna go with party Mexicans because that's fucking hilarious. Like I don't know why that's hilarious. White people like party Mexicans. Absolutely.